Hi guys, I'm reuniting with my friend and big brother, David Henry. We're back! David and I are so excited to announce the first ever live virtual film premiere for our new movie, This Is the Year, which premieres August 28th, that I know will give you all the feels. With all the craziness going on in the world, a feel-good movie is just what we need. Most premieres are only for a very small select group of people, but not this one. We want all of you to watch it with us.
Zoe's not gonna say no to Lovely the Band.
You like them?
Yeah.
You'll not only get to watch This Is the Year with us, you'll also participate in a live Q&A with me and Selena. Then the cast will join for a Q&A and you'll see a live performance from Lovely the Band.
If we leave by tonight, we can make it to Love You by Sunday night. We just need some wheels, bro.
Yeah, leave that to me.
Sweet. And you just gotta help me convince Zoe to come with us.
It's a road trip with friends, just like in the movie.